In this video, I will show you how to deposit money in Phantom Wallet. So there are different ways to do this, and the way that will probably work for most people is through receiving cryptocurrency from another wallet. So go ahead and click on that receive button, and from here go ahead and select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive from that other wallet. So once you select a cryptocurrency that you want to receive, you'll be able to find a QR code that you can actually scan with that other wallet, or copy your Ethereum address and paste that on the wallet where your Ethereum balance is present to be able to deposit that into this account on Phantom Wallet. Now, another way for you to deposit money on Phantom Wallet is through buying cryptocurrency on Phantom Wallet. So go ahead and hit on that buy button, and then here go ahead and select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy on Phantom Wallet. After this, you'll need to enter the amount of the money that you want to use from your account and select your payment method from here. So as you can see, you can pay through your credit and debit card. Just simply provide your credit or debit card details and you'll be able to buy a specific amount of cryptocurrency on Phantom Wallet. And that is how you can simply deposit money on Phantom Wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.